Most states in a dynamical system can move to several successors. An absorbing state is different. It transitions only to itself, not probably to itself, with certainty and forever. The process does not stop. It continues running, but it will never leave. Absorption is not an outcome. It is a permanent condition of the dynamics. The state space has a direction built into its transition structure. Transient states can reach the absorbing state. There is always a path inward. From the absorbing state, every outward path has probability exactly 0. This asymmetry is the formal definition of irreversibility. It is not a statement about how fast the system moves. It is a statement about which directions are permitted. The dynamics point one way, toward the sink. Before absorption, different starting conditions produce different state distributions over time. You can track where the system came from by looking at where it is. After absorption, all paths lead to the same state. Every initial condition produces the same absorbed outcome. The information about where the system started is gone, structurally. This is not measurement error or noise. The initial condition has been eliminated by the dynamics. Running the process forward, you can observe the trajectory as it moves toward absorption. Running it backward from the absorbed state, you cannot determine which path was taken. All paths arrive at the same place. This forward-backward asymmetry is what defines the arrow of time in an irreversible system. The past before absorption is inaccessible from the present state. It is not hidden, it is structurally erased. Irreversibility is the formal expression of that erasure. The model breaks when an absorbing state is treated as merely improbable. Rare and impossible are not the same structural category. If the exit probability is exactly 0, no intervention changes it. If the exit probability is small but positive, intervention may work. Confusing the two leads to recovery plans built on a false premise. The question to ask is whether the exit probability is structurally 0. That question must be answered before any strategy is designed. This model has 4 structural limits that cannot be removed by any external action. First, once absorbed, exit is impossible. The probability is exactly 0 by definition. Second, absorption destroys initial condition information. All paths converge. Third, after absorption, future states are fully determined. Forecasting becomes trivial but useless. Fourth, irreversibility is a structural property, not a parameter that can be tuned. Better information, more computation, and stronger interventions cannot change any of these 4 limits. The constraint is built into the dynamics.